Everybody at some point has plumbing problems. We do plumbing in Palm Coast and Daytona Beach, Florida. New construction residential. New construction commercial. Plumbing repair. Plumbing service. Water heaters. Toilets. Sinks and faucets. Garbage disposals. Showers and tubs. Leaky faucets. Broken pipe repairs. Food disposal repair and replacement. Clogged drains. Sewer and drain cleaning, slab leaks. Washer lines. Sewer line video. Hot water dispensers. Water leak detection and repair. Leak location and repair. Plumbing fixtures. New construction plumbing. Water softeners. Our plumbers are clean, professional, courteous. Call me at 3, 8, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 4, 3, 8, or visit my website at www.palmcoastplumbing.com. Again, www.palmcoastplumbing.com.